Every single you'll slam 3 years before you
put this thing at a bad height.
One of those pictures here? I can say something that makes us seems to be doing well in his job. He's extremely intelligent, extremely good. He's a very yeah, they just secured a probably like in 2 years.
Not until next fall. I'll do that mid-October.
I think that's really sound get involved in that story too.
July, August.
One hand
Very crowded. I'm actually looking forward to going over to Montana and Maple. I haven't been back to which is 4-year-old. I'm looking for things. I know that. But the road trip couldn't get out.
Well, there'll be people out there.
I'm looking forward to finding it.
But they, he's better for them because,
Yeah. No, I'll see.
well, like I say, like I'll do whole deal with based on
Now she's we didn't get a house, but actually we got like hotel rooms. We got a house.
House on the mountain.
No, it's not all bad.
Glory.
5 minutes.
No, yeah, they got the my buddy Andy.
I made it 45. But you need that. You need some rollers too. Get a little bit more.
He's coming back. Got all those now. That was crazy. They put him on that's always it took him like
inside study. So I agree. He's always been more money. looks good for like there was I'm doing a lot of basically they use don't build it which is amazing so you're okay so you're good out there how much you got
Rendezvous Mountain Tram is recommended for people with expert abilities only. All major runs to the top are open. If for any reason you would like to try the tram back down the mountain, it will be available about every 10 minutes until 3:30. Due to hidden obstacles, please use caution. Usually all closed area signs, and for your safety, violators will lose their little privileges. Trophy Mountain host available on the top of the tram should be assisted traveling questions. Ski patrol is located on the top of the tram, top of the gondola, and top of the operator room. Restrooms, accessories, food, beverages are available inside the cabin.